Welcome back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to active Google command or Hey Google Assistant on Motorola G37 power. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on Google and click on all services. Scroll down and click on search assistant and voice and click on Google Assistant. You will see active Google commands from here. After the process, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.